In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play PUBG with a controller on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a controller to play PUBG on PC. However, there is a big disclaimer that I want to make. The game does not have native controller support, meaning that while it is possible to force the game to play on a controller, and as you can clearly tell, I am running the game using a controller, this isn't going to be really supported, so it might glitch out at times, and it is not perfect. I just want to make it as a disclaimer so people don't get the wrong impression, but as you can clearly see, I can play using a controller, and it mostly works. This process is done through Steam, so for this method that I'm going to show you, you need to download and run PUBG through Steam. So what you have to do to set up a controller is to use Steam input. So open up Steam and go to your library first. On your library, find PUBG, right-click the game, go into the properties, and you will find the controller properties. What you have to do is enable Steam input. Steam input is a tool that is going to automatically detect any controller connected to your PC, and as long as a controller is detected, it is going to be set up automatically. This works for official controllers, so Xbox, PlayStation, Switch controllers, and also generic ones. So even if you have a quote-unquote off-brand controller, it is still going to get detected and set up. Once you are done enabling Steam input from this drop-down menu, you can close this window, and if you have a controller connected to PC, you will see this little gamepad icon. There will be a warning telling you that controller is not supported, just like I told you in the beginning of this video. So it isn't designed to use a controller, and because of this, some features will not work properly. You simply have to make sure that a layout is selected. You can browse through one of the templates here, or through community-made ones, and as long as you have a layout active, or you customize your own layout here, you can change each individual option. You will be able to set it up to your liking. Once you get back inside of the game, like I said, everything will work from the get-go, but because it isn't a native supported thing, you will have to change some aspects about the controller. So as you can see, no keys will get assigned. It is telling me to press R to reload, but clearly I'm on controller, so I don't know what is R. So this is why you have to go into the layout and make sure that you know what each button does. As you can see, it is showing me mouse controls, but I can shoot using the controller. So this is what I have to highlight. It works, but it isn't native supported. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a controller on PUBG on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.